How to remove Google account from other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can remove your Google account from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Removing your Google account from other devices is very simple. All you have to do is just make sure to launch the Google application or any of the Google app that you have. Then tap your Google profile photo from the top right. Then after you make sure that is the correct Google account, just tap on the manage your Google account button. Once you go to manage your Google account button, on the next page you will see this type of interface where you have to simply navigate to the security tab, as you can see. And once you navigate to the security tab, simply scroll down here. Then you'll find the option called your devices, and then you'll find manage all devices where you can simply tap on it. Then once you tap on manage all devices, you can simply select the device that you want to remove your Google account from. Then after you do that, there you'll find the option called sign out, which you can simply use to sign out people from your Google account. So this way you can basically remove your Google account from other devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.